It was hellishly hot last night. The wheat soup we cooked over a firewood yesterday has gone bad. I hate having to eat the same thing every day, especially if it's rotten. My brother doesn't like to waste food. He says that food is sacred, that there are many children dying of hunger in Gaza. I'd rather drink the fig juice. At least some figs were saved from rotting. I don't want to. No, I'd rather die of hunger than of a stomach infection. My brother decided that the food is too rotten. Not even he can eat it. We'll leave the food outside. Some hungry fox will eat it. Now that I saw that my brother took that stinking food, I start crying from hunger, hoping that my brother will bring another food that I like. My brother made mango juice with milk. He also cooked white rice with boiled eggs and a cream to go with it. I like this. If you made it this far in my video, please comment on what you ate today.